Geography is a science of both physical and human environment. So the life is present over the surface of the earth. Why? Because of the suitable environment. So we have average suitable temperature which is conducive for living or which is favorable for the certain lives. Geography deals with man and his activities. These human activities change the physical landscape and producing the cultural landscape. Composed of agriculture, cattle grazing, fishing, mining, settlements, manufacturing, industries and infrastructure like roads, electricity lines and telecommunication lines. So here we have human activities belongs to economic and careers. So like belongs to the production of the like agriculture, cattle grazing, fishing, mining and the areas belongs to forest. So secondary same activities which are actually belongs to industries. So here we have refined goods, the cotton change into the cotton cloth or yarn. So these activities belongs to the secondary type of the productions. Infrastructure development is very important for the linkage of these branches of the human geography. So first of all, the population geography, concerned with the study of the population, density, distribution, migration, growth and structure. Like population structure means the study of the age groups and male-female ratio of different regions, continent or countries. Is economic geography, which is the study of the resources, production related activities as agriculture. Now here we have the wheat producing areas of the world. Now some areas belongs to the summer season and some areas belongs to the winter growing season. So winter growing season are actually belongs to the regions like in Pakistan, so those are the areas where we have the winter wheat production. But in summer or in spring season, Europe and North American regions are important for the production of the wheat areas. Political geography. So here we have the political regions of the world. Each and every country is divided into different boundaries. So why? Because of their political theme, their political ideas. Branch is historical geography. It deals with the study of the places as they exist in the past, including agriculture and other landscape evolution. We have the best example of the Indus Valley civilization, where we have historic geography of the region. So this part of the world is once under the agriculture activities. So this is the best example of the historical geography of Pakistan.